Emit besok buku matinya. Dah, betul tu. Microphone testing. Can you guys please confirm that you guys are hearing me in the comment section? Please comment if you guys can hear me.
My voice clear, Angelo? Hello.
Yeah, how are you, Note and Trader? We'll be starting in 1 minute.
Yeah.
Okay, fam,
I mean, we can.
the meeting will be starting now. So yeah, my name is Angelo FX, and today we'll be doing a weekly top-down analysis on gold live. So feel free to ask any question. And I also want to introduce you guys with my trading analyst partner, the Note and Trader.
Exactly. So, yeah,
Yeah.
I am actually the founder of Financial Associate. Yeah, Angelo, you can tell, yeah.
And you guys can also find his Telegram link in my description below. So if you guys want to know how the Note and Trader analyzes the chart, you will see his Telegram link in the description below. Without any further ado, let's start with the live. So
Exactly, yeah.
So wait, before I start with the live, I will be saying to you guys what the Note and Reader will be doing. Like the Note and Reader doesn't have his laptop right now, so he will not be able to share his screen. But what he will be doing, he will be giving commentaries. But on the next live session, he will
Exactly.
be definitely sharing his screen and analyzing the forex pair with us together. So I'll be starting off from a weekly chart. Well, analyzing gold on the weekly chart, we can clearly see that gold had dropped into this weekly fair value gap, and it gave us a nice bullish reaction when we go to the daily chart. So we took liquidity from this area. So going on to the daily chart and analyzing gold on the daily chart, we can clearly see that gold had also retested a support level around here, and now we had
Yes,
some
yeah.
nice reaction from it. You see? So
And Angelo, you can also observe it disrespected the bearish fair value gap,
yeah,
on the daily time frame.
yeah, it also disrespected the daily bearish fair value gap, and that is also an indication to us that gold is bullish on the daily chart, and
Exactly.
that we will be creating a new all-time high very soon.
Exactly.
So let's put this area as a point of reference point. So maybe if you're in a long position around this area, this should be your definite target. So on the daily chart, when we look at gold on the daily chart, we can clearly see that it is bullish on the daily chart. And we clearly tested this bullish support and it also respected it. And when we'll be going to refine our analysis further on the daily chart, we can see a daily fair value gap around here. I'm not saying that gold might drop into this fair value gap, but this fair value gap on the daily chart should be a point of interest for you for when gold arrives at these zones that you should be looking for longs.
Exactly. And even Angelo, what I was thinking was on the lesser time frame, there are already the FGs have been created, I guess.
Yeah.
On the
So
lower time frame.
yeah, so if we actually go on to the 4 hour chart, I mean, like on the daily chart, on the daily chart, we would be expecting a pullback right into the zone to continue further. But that is the reason why top down analysis is very important, because you need to analyze every time frame to see where gold could potentially drop to continue higher.
Exactly.
So on the daily chart, this is our daily point of interest. So whenever gold arrives at our daily point of interest, you will be obviously waiting for confirmation on the lower time frame before you go long around here. And what would be your confirmation to start going long around here? You would want to see bullish market structure break around this area. You would want to see a pattern like this, you see, before you go long around here. But checking on the 4 hour chart, we can also see a bullish mitigation block around here. So
Yes.
looking at the 4 hour chart, like the premise that I have in mind in the 4 hour chart is that gold will not give us such a deep pullback into this daily point of interest for us to look for
Yeah,
buy.
it will not, invite many buyers.
Yeah. So instead of gold reaching the daily point of interest, I have in mind that for this week, gold price will retest this area to continue higher and take out the all-time high. Like there is no valid sell level around here. Like all the highs that you guys can see
Exactly.
at this area is just liquidity waiting to be collected. So now that we have our higher time frame support zone, we can also choose to go to the lower time frame and refine it further, but it is not needed, you know, because it is very clear. Like we buy on retest, and we can also see a bullish fair value gap around here that we can use as a place of interest to buy. So these are my zones that I have in mind. But of course, things can change when the market opens, when the market start moving. So just in case price decides to break above this short-term high around here, then you should be using this short-term high as an area of support to go long, because then it will be creating another support in premium market to continue higher. And the reason why a scenario like this could happen too is because there is no clear fair value gap here on the 1 hour chart. Like every fair value gap on the 1 hour chart is mitigated. They are no longer they are no longer much of any use to us. So now we have three scenarios outlined that we'll be waiting to see before the market opens. And of course, if you guys do join my Telegram channel and you guys do join the Note and Trader Telegram channel, we'll be updating you guys daily on what we see on happening on the marketplace. But like the forecast video,
Angelo, even I have a theory. What the gold can possibly do is it will, not just come to our levels and it will just directly pump up.
directly,
Because it's gold. And the orders, I guess the orders have been very much executed on the Friday basis. And the market, the executors are just waiting for a pump. So
yeah,
there are even, many chances gold not coming to our levels.
yeah, that it is very possible. So that is the reason why like I have my eyes on the short term high. If it's got broken, then we should be
Exactly, yeah.
waiting for a fair value gap, and after we see the fair value gap, then we will be entering along on the fair value gap to target the all time high, because there is no valid
Exactly.
resistance around this area anymore.
For a cell level.
Yeah, there is no valid sell level. We can only expect maybe a short term sell when the all time high is taken, then for maybe a retracement. But
Exactly,
for now,
because we can't go for a sell. I mean, after the all-time high at 2606, many were looking for a sell, but indeed they got the sell it.
yeah, we can look for a sell when the all time high is taken. So I do have a question for you guys, the viewers. Like, how many times in a week would you like to see us, me and Note and Trader, do live streaming and analyzing gold? You guys can place it in the comment, because like it is your basically your anticipation that will motivate us to do this very day to do this daily,
Exactly. So just comment down. Do you how much time do you want us,
to
to
do it
come live stream and do the forecast?
3 times a week, 2 times a week. Okay, somebody did say 3 times a week, and yeah, we can definitely do this 3 times a week daily. But
Daily.
daily is more for the premium member, so I think maybe 3 times a
Exactly.
week should be good. And then the other 2 times of the week we'll be preserving it for the premium members streaming only.
Exactly.
Yeah. So this was it for our forecast. If you guys do have any question, you guys can place it in the chat. Don't forget to join our Telegram for more daily updates.
Yeah. So you guys have any doubts? What is the next possible move on gold? You can ask.
Yeah, we can ask. If there are no question, then we'll be ending the forecast very soon, the live stream forecast. But like I said,
Exactly.
these are the scenario that you are waiting for. If you guys want to stay up to date with this point of view, then you guys should be joining our Telegram channel. We'll be updating it 24/7 if you do see any changes. But maybe you guys are asking yourself, why am I actually bullish on gold? Well, then I'll be teaching you guys a premium concept of mine that I use to analyze the market. Um, But the origin of this concept is from ICP, Michael G. Huddleston himself, and I call it basically the pyramid model. So this is how the market basically moves. So when the market is in a bullish trend, it will be creating higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. And the market is ready to change the trend. We will be then disrespecting the support. We will then be basically respecting the higher low. And then when you see something like this on the 1 hour chart or the 4 hour chart, you can then switch your mind to say, hey, the support will no longer be working. So like the thing that you must have in mind when you see this happening on the chart, that you must be selling on every premium price level. So like every premium price level becomes your sell zone. And this is the main concept that I'm using day to day to frame in my bias, my daily bias as well as weekly bias. And when you guys look at this, we can also find it back on the chart. Let me delete these lines very fast. So when we look at the chart around here, so this is basically the sell side of the curve, and the market was bearish on this left of the marketplace. So why do I have a bullish bias? It is very simple. Price traded into our daily support level, and when it traded into our daily support level, we also broke a lower high around here, and this basically with us breaking above this lower high basically give us our bullish confirmation that the market is no longer bearish. So like the best possible thing that we should be doing daily is waiting for the market to trade into discount for us to go into the long moves. You see? So honestly, this was my framework to get into the long move on Friday. So I'm basically buying on every pullback into the 1 hour support. And that is the reason why I have this area as an area of interest where I would be looking for longs. But of course, if we do not retrace into this area and we break above this high, then I'll be using this area as an area of interest to look for longs to eventually target the all-time high
So
around here.
guys, the possible thing which can happen in the gold will be updated on a group. So gold can definitely go lower, but there are many possibilities on gold.
Yeah,
So either ways, what we can tell you is, so just be updated on a group.
yeah. Just stay updated on our group and everything will be shared
Even the
there.
links are in the description, or even Angelo can pin in the comment if it's possible.
Yes.
If Angelo can pin in the comment, it would be easy for the audience.
Yeah, I'll be pinning the links right now for you guys to stay updated with our few on gold.
Yeah. So the crazy thing which we can give you all is the top down analysis on gold has the many new traders are coming into gold with no idea. So after the gold breaking the 2006 level, many ICT traders were just going for a big sell, thinking just took out the buy side liquidity and now it will just dump. So there were many possible chances it just going for more highs. It was just updated on a groups. So if you made a loss, it's now the right time to join us and be updated.
Yeah, to be updated and start buying gold because it is bullish and we're heading for the all-time high. And for
Even
now,
after many guys will just go short after the break of new high and will just go for a many big targets down.
yeah,
But I don't think so. Gold will go for the levels down. It
mhm,
would barely even just go for the down, and it will just pump up again 100% up,
yeah,
because
definitely.
gold being the safest asset, it will just go for the new highs, and there is no chance for sellers, I guess.
Yes,
The best thing which we can, and even Angelo can tell now, is just be with the guys who are close to the market and analyzing it. So
yes,
you can't make loss. That's the thing which I can tell you all. Yeah.
yes, indeed. So, like, this was it for our forecast for today. Like, I hope that you guys enjoyed it. We'll be definitely doing this more often. Like, the live streaming of today was
Exactly.
just a test to see how it will go out. And I'm very happy with the viewers and the commenters. Like it kind of motivates us to do this daily. But we will not be doing this daily yet.
Exactly.
We'll be keeping it like 3 times a week. And on every Sunday, we'll be doing a weekly forecast and answering you guys' questions. And yeah, that is it for our live video. I will be sharing the
Yeah.
recording with you guys later so that you guys can rewatch it. But it will also be available on YouTube.
Perfect.
Don't forget to check the description for a Telegram link to stay updated daily with our analysis.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So have a good day, guys. Yeah.